ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலா that will make 5 people together.
ஓகே.
அது கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா பண்ணலாம், இல்லனா விட்டுறலாம்.
இல்ல அது கொஞ்சம் கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இல்ல.
விட்டுறலாம். நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
அடுத்த செஷன்ல வேணா பார்க்கலாம்.
வச்சு பண்ணலாம். நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
சார் பாருங்க சார்.
கீதா
சார் போல் வந்திருக்கு, கிளிக் பண்ணி பாருங்க.
டாப் ரெக்கார்டிங் எனக்கு வரலையே இதுல. வெயிட்டிங் ரூம், அந்த வெயிட்டிங் ரூம் கீழ சிம்பல் வரணுமா? நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா ஒரு நாள்.
இல்ல அது இல்ல சார், அது முடிஞ்சிச்சு. அவங்க வேற பேஜ் இருக்காங்க.
ஓகே ரைட் கேரி ஆன்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
அந்த போல் கிளிக் பண்ணி நீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் சென்ட்னு கொடுத்தா தான் எல்லாருக்கும் போல் வரும்.
லான்ச் போலிங்னு கொடுக்கணும். எந்த டைமுக்கு நமக்கு வேணுமோ அந்த டைம் லான்ச்
கொடுத்தா தான் வரும். அதர்வைஸ் போல் உங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும்.
அது டைம் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும் சார். 7:45க்கு அது மாதிரி லான்ச் போலிங். இப்ப பண்ணவா லான்ச் போலிங்?
ட்ரையல் பாருங்க, போட்டு எடுத்து
லான்ச் போலிங் இப்ப வேணா போட்டு பாருங்க.
பண்ற பாருங்க சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
சரியாங்க சார்?
நான் வந்து கிளிக் பண்ண எதுவுமே வர மாட்டேங்குதே.
இல்ல நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ண கூடாது சார். இது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல வரும். அவங்க லான்ச்
வருது. நீங்க அந்த போலிங் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு ஆப்ஷன் இல்லையேன்னு கேட்டேன்.
அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிடும். நீங்க அதுல இது பண்ண முடியுதா, என்டர் பண்ண முடியுதா?
இல்ல பண்ணல, அதான் கேட்டேன். பண்ண முடியல.
இல்ல அங்கிள், பேனல் மெம்பர்ஸும் ஹோஸ்டும் அது வந்து பண்ண முடியாது. நம்ம எல்லாம் கோ-ஹோஸ்ட், சோ நாம வந்து எந்த ஃபீட்பேக்கும் தர முடியாது.
பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் தான் பண்ண முடியும்.
நான் இப்ப திருப்பி நான் ஆஃப் பண்றேன். நீங்க நம்ம கோ-ஹோஸ்ட் எடுத்து விட்டுறலாம்.
அதான்
வேண்டாம், இப்ப ட்ரையல் பார்க்க வேண்டாம்.
சரிங்க சார். ஓகே.
இத நம்ம டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு. நம்ம இப்ப அந்த ட்ரையல் வேண்டாம்.
ஓகே.
நம்ம சஹானா சொன்ன மாதிரி பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் பண்ண முடியும். சோ நம்ம ஆக்சுவலா அந்த டைம்க்கு நீங்க லான்ச் பண்ணிருங்க. ஒரு சார் இப்ப முடிக்கிற ஸ்டேஜ் வரும் இல்லீங்களா?
ஓகே.
இந்த क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் செஷனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி நீங்க அத லான்ச் பண்ணிருங்க.
ஓகே. சரிங்க சார்.
ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் நீங்க தான பண்ண போறீங்க சுந்தர சார்?
ஆமா சார், நான் தான் பண்ண போறேன். பிபிடி ஷேரிங் நான் தான் பண்ண போறேன்.
நீங்களே பண்றீங்களா?
ஆமா.
சரி சார். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணி ட்ரையல் பாத்துக்கிறீங்களா? இப்போ
பாத்துட்டாங்க சார்.
பாத்துட்டீங்களா?
பாத்துட்டேன்.
ஓகே சார். என்ன நாங்க முதல்ல எங்களோட பிபிடி இருக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
பரவாயில்ல.
அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நாங்க சொல்லும்போது நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
உங்க கீதா ரொம்ப வெரி பாசிட்டிவ் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் சார். எல்லா ஹோம்வொர்க்ல
थैंक यू சார். थैंक यू.
கூப்பிட்டு வச்சு எப்படி பண்ணனும்னு சொன்னாங்க. வெரி பீப்புள் ஆர் தேர். அந்த எம்பதிங்கிறது வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்.
கண்டிப்பா சார், கண்டிப்பா. அந்த டீம் தான் சார் இதோட பலம்.
ஆமா.
தொடர்ந்து உங்கள மாதிரி ஆட்கள் தொடர்ந்து உள்ள வர்றாங்க, கைடன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அந்த கைடன்ஸ்ல நல்லபடியா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் சார். இந்த இது நீங்க ஏற்கனவே ஒரு செஷன் பாத்துருக்கீங்க.
ஆமா.
நான் திருப்பி சொல்றேன். முதல்ல நாங்க வந்து கீதா வெல்கம் அட்ரஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. நாங்க 6:40க்கு வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் வந்து அட்மிட் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே.
சோ 6:45க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே.
கீதா வெல்கம் அட்ரஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இனாகரல் அட்ரஸ் வந்து இது பத்தி நம்ம கேர் பத்தி ஒரு பிபிடி போடுவோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து அதுலயே வந்து உங்களுக்கு வர்ச்சுவலா ஒரு பொக்கே கொடுத்து வெல்கம் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே.
அதுக்கப்புறம் இனாகரல் அட்ரஸ் பை மிஸ்டர் பாண்டியன், அவர் ஜோனல் டைரக்டர்.
ஓகே.
அது முடிஞ்ச உடனே கீதா வந்து ஃபார்மலா உங்கள்ட்ட ஃப்ளோரை ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் பண்ணுவாங்க. நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க.
ஓகே.
உங்க செஷன் முடிஞ்ச உடனே அகைன் கீதா வந்து இது क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் செஷன் சொல்லி அந்த क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் எப்படி கேட்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஓகே. ஓகே.
அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோகிராம் என்னன்னு அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்புறம் எங்களோட வோட் ஆஃப் தேங்க்ஸோட முடிச்சிடுவோம்.
ஓகே. இது ஸ்பீக்கர் யார் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணுவா? பேக்ரவுண்ட் நானே சொல்லிக்கிடவா எப்படி?
இல்ல அவரு பாண்டியன் சார் வந்து உங்களை பத்தி சொல்லுவாரு.
ஓகே.
பிரீஃப் பண்ணுவாரு. நீங்க கொடுத்த லிங்க்ல அத தாண்டி ஏதாவது செய்தி இருந்தா நீங்க உங்களோட இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ல நீங்க சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ஓகே. இது ஃபார்மல்ல இருக்கா அது இல்லையான்னு கேட்டேன். அவ்வளவுதான்.
இருக்கு. அதாவது இனாகரல் அட்ரஸ் வந்து கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீக்கர் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன். பட் அவர் ஏதாவது மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாருன்னா நீங்க
அது பரவாயில்லை. ஓகே. ரைட்.
ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும் இல்லையா ஆடியன்ஸ்.
ஆமா.
18 பேர் வெயிட்டிங்ல இருக்காங்க.
24 காமிக்குது.
நம்ம எல்லாரும் சேர்த்து 24 காமிக்குது. கீதா டைம் என்னாச்சுமா? கீதா ரெடியா இருக்கீங்களாமா?
ஒரு 2 minutes வந்துடுறேங்க சார்.
ஓகே.
இப்போ 6:42 சார்.
ஆமா. 6:45க்கு கரெக்ட்டா அட்மிட் பண்ணிரலாமா இல்ல இப்ப அட்மிட் பண்ணிரலாமா?
6:45க்கு அட்மிட் பண்ணிடலாங்க சார். 6:47க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம்.
ஓகே சரி.
ஓகே.
அப்போ நான் 6:45க்கு அட்மிட் பண்றேன்.
இல்ல நீங்க இது போடுங்க சார். பாலச்சந்தர் சார் அட்மிட் பண்ணுவாங்க. நீங்க லைவ் போடணும் இல்லையா?
இல்ல இப்ப நான் போட்டுறேன். ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல போட்டுருவேன். நீங்க ரெக்கார்டிங் போட்டீங்களாமா?
ரெக்கார்டிங் போட்டாச்சுங்க சார்.
சரி நான் லைவ் போடுறேன். 6:45க்கு அட்மிட் பண்ணிருங்க சார் பாலச்சந்தர் சார்.
ஓகே பண்ணி.
ஓகே அப்ப நீங்க 6:47க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகே
ஓகே. சுந்தரம் சார் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் சார். நல்லா பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you all support.
Thank you சார். உங்க சப்போர்ட்ல தான் நாங்க நிக்கிறோம் சார்.
First time பார்க்கலாம். We'll do our best.
In case அந்த क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர்லாம் நல்ல இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங்கா போச்சு அவங்க பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் கலையாம இருந்தா நம்ம போலாம் சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
அதர்வைஸ் கலைஞ்சிட்டே இருந்தாங்க அப்படினா லெஃப்ட் ஆயிட்டே இருந்தாங்கன்னா நாங்க உங்களுக்கு இண்டிகேட் பண்ணிடுவோம் சார். நேரா கழிச்சு நம்ம இத கடைசி கேள்விங்கற மாதிரி நாங்க சொல்லிடுறோம்.
ஓகே ஓகே. அது two times I am seeing the participants. Starting all participants should be on. Yeah. And ending also people should be on all videos. அப்பனா தான் வந்து அந்த participation இருக்கும். Otherwise வந்து they may play with the phone or they will listen.
அது என்னன்னா அந்த வீடியோல வந்து பேண்ட்வித் கம்மி ஆயிடுது. அதுக்காக தான் அந்த வீடியோவை வந்து ஆஃப் பண்ணி வைக்க சொல்றோம். பட் இன்னைக்கு அட்லீஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் பேர் ஆன் பண்ணி வைக்கலாம்.
கொஞ்சம் நம்ம சொன்னா நிறைய பேர் எல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. 100% நடக்காது. நடக்கட்டும் கொஞ்சம். Okay that should be there. Okay. எல்லா இதுலயும் அப்படிதான். ப்ரோகிராம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆன உடனே க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. வீடியோ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. கரெக்ட். நான் அதுக்கு முன்னால வந்து
நெட் கன்சப்ஷன் நிறைய போயிட்டு இருக்கும். அதனால அவங்க வந்து
ஆமா ஆமா. ஷார்ட் ஆர் வந்துட்டாங்களே யாரோ. ஓ
Hi. Hi, happy evening to one and all. Welcome to CARE's 25th online session about top 3 problems every young couples face, and importantly, their solutions by energetic and aggressive Dr. P.T. Sundaram sir. Before going to our program, let me tell you an incident from Kalam sir's family. Dr. Abdul Kalam says in one of his books like this: when I was a kid, my mom cooked food for us. One night, after a long day of work, my mother placed sabji and burnt roti in front of my dad. My dad ate roti without complaining anything. My mother apologized for burnt roti, but my father said, I love burnt roti. Later, when I asked about it to my father, he said, your mama put in a long, hard day at work today and she was really tired. Burnt roti never hurts anyone, but harsh words hurt. So, good adjusting parents can raise good children. Life is full of imperfect things and imperfect people. Accept each other's fault and choose to celebrate relationship. Enjoy life now. It has an expiry date and you don't know when is yours. Anyway, myself is very aggressive and stubborn lady where my husband has to adjust to the core, and nowadays start a little bit adjusting. And as usual, here we go with small presentation about CARE by our CARE trainer Sahana. Over to you, Sahana.
Okay, ma'am. CARE, Chidambaram Academy of Refinement and Enrichment, was started on 5th September 2006 and named after the renowned freedom fighter Mr. V.O. Chidambaranar of Thoothukudi. The main objectives of CARE is societal development through
Sahana.
Across South India, namely Madurai, Tiruchi, Kovai, Vellore, Chennai, Hosur, Puduvai, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Kerala. Services offered by CARE: training and development, guidance and counseling, legal support, recruitment, other services like corporate films and training videos, corporate magazines, GST services and training, translation works, event management, and CSR activities. All our activities and services are guided under our founder director CARE, Dr. R. Krishnamurthy, professor, psychologist, trainer, advocate, and social worker. And also by our joint director CARE, Mr. S. Balachandar, director, ELM World Academy, Hosur. You can contact us through the given mobile numbers. Also visit our website for more information. You can write us for any query in the following mail IDs. Join us through social media by subscribing our YouTube channel for free motivational videos. CARE HRD for success. All our online sessions is also being shared in the YouTube channel. Also find us in Facebook, CARE HRD India. Now, to formally welcome the chief guest, may I request him to please accept the bouquet.
Welcome, Doctor. We are honored about your presence.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Me too.
Welcome.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Sahana. Next, I invite N. Pandian sir, Zonal Director, Chennai, to deliver his inaugural address and introduce our today's faculty. Over to you, sir.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, sir.
This is a very good day for us because a person from the downtrodden area and financially down family, Mr. Sundaram have born at Tirunelveli, and his father has to look after their not only their children, at about 7 people, also to their family also, brothers and sisters also. So he has struggled more and more, and he studied all the resolving problems from his childhood day itself, so that it has inspired him to solve problems to anywhere, everywhere, whatever it may be. So it has been guided him to develop himself as a NLP trainer, and now he has become NLP Guru of India, and he is a first NLP author since 1998. He is giving training to so many peoples and NLP life coaching also. So we are really inspired about him, and we welcome Dr. P.T. Sundaram to this program. As he born from the Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli, and grown up in Hyderabad, it is very easy to speak in Tamil, Telugu, and he is go here and there all over India. He has learned Hindi also, so worldwide language English also is passionate one. So whenever we go or wherever we go, he is able to take training in their language itself. So the language is also inspiring one to everyone, because the training has been taken in their mother tongue. It is very easy to observe themselves. So in this area also, he is a very much inspired person to the trainers who undergo him. So we welcome sir, Dr. Sundaram.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your introduction, sir. Thanks a lot.
Really proud about you in participating in our program as a Chennai Director of Care. Welcome you one and all, and Dr. Sundaram is going to give training for us. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pandian sir. Lot of hope has piled up by your introduction, sir. Now, as usual, few requests to our participants. Type your doubts in the chat box that will be clarified by the trainer at the end of the session. Raise your hands during question answer session. You will be unmuted and you can ask your doubts or share your feedback. You can provide your name, WhatsApp number and city to have further updates of our program. Yes, everything is set. Actually, today's faculty Sundaram sir needs lot of interaction. So you can type your response in the chat box, and if needed, raise your hands. So you will be unmuted. And Sundaram sir, expecting all our participants to build a happy family from today. With that assurance from you, we are handing over the stage to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I think I should be permitted to share my screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen now, sir.
Okay, okay. So good evening, all of you. How are you? Can I have some videos on? Because I do not know, I see everything is dark here. I think 50 participants. And a few of my clients have also come. Any problem with videos on? Let me have a glimpse at least. Who are the people who are on videos on, if possible? Okay, another 3 seconds. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Babu Garu. Thank you very much, sir. Sai Armugam, Venkateshwari, Dr. Sarkar, welcome. Jyoti Kolatur, madam, welcome. Now I have yet to see a videos. Yeah. Okay. Once again, you have to excuse me for 1 second. Sorry. I had a battery down. I just went for a network backup. Okay, thank you very much. If you are there. And I'm going to tell you that this is going to be one of the important day of your life. Your life is going to change. Okay, you can definitely record it. You might have come because maybe care has invited you or because you could not refuse to somebody. But definitely I'll tell you it's going to be one of the important life-changing event of you because the work I have done, nobody has done in India and you will know about it. Sir, am I permitted, sir? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir. You can go ahead.
Okay.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, fine, sir.
Okay, right. Welcome once again, all of you. This is actually from my upcoming book, 5 Problems Every Couples are Facing. That I've taken 3 problems, which I'm sharing it. These are the problems which every young couple is facing on today's generation. So before that, I welcome once again formally, I thank Dr. Krishnamurthy and Geeta Madam for accepting my request, and with a lot of interaction. Common things we see a common thread is the care. I'm an HRD person. I vibrate with the philosophies of care, and thank you very much for accepting me as a member, sir. This is my little introduction. I'm engineering, then counseling and doctorate in NLP. I work with the prisoners in Central Jail. That is where that has become my thesis. Last 2 decades, I have around 535 YouTube videos in English, Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. I have 3 counseling centers in Virambakam, Tamaram, and YMR. And let's go the journey. So friend, before I start, let me tell you a small journey. Water is plenty. I was in an apartment where water was plenty in the morning, early in the morning. 5 o'clock the water used to come, and I used to tell my wife, shut the tap. And my wife used to tell my daughter used to tell her uncle, aunt, and this went on and on. By the time of half an hour to 1 hour, gallons and liters of water are gone. Then a time came where apartment shortage was there, and the secretary told that you have to go down with only 1 bucket. We do not know what time it's going to come. Maybe 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, there was a queue, a shift system. I was there, my wife was there for 1 hour. Then my daughter was there, and we used to get 1 bucket. That is the reason we know the value of water, the scarcity. So friends, because this program is coming free for you, it doesn't mean it doesn't have any value. The value depends on, this is the corporate charge I do per session. The value depends upon how much you value on yourself. Okay, let's go to the money. This will be the flow, sir. Introduction, then top 3 in the couples failure, a few case studies from my experience, and we'll have a Q&A session. Is it okay, sir? Doctor, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yeah, please.
So the top 3 problems is, one is these people are away, the young generation. This is mostly focused on the young generation. Particularly my target is 0 to 5 years of young married couple. Why? Because 0 to 5 years, because afterwards we get adjusted to it. And between 0 to 5, what is actually happening with the young couple today, the Android generation, what is happening? Morning marriage, evening divorce. Because of few emotional disconnections. So one of the reasons we have found, the number 1 reason is they're away from the roots, and second is the past emotional baggage, they carry emotional baggage, and they've got poor mental models. The role models surrounded by them in society are very poor, impoverished role models. That doesn't inspire them. Okay, that makes them very lethargic. Let's go into detail about that. So away from parents, this is what has happened, you know. So I classify the whole, if you take any organization, suppose you take a traditional organization like VHL or NTPC, any organization in Hosur, this organization was 3 types of people. Maybe a person who's ending the career, a person who is starting the career, and the executives in between. I would call these people as 3 generations. One is the radio generation, another the TV generation, another mobile generation. The challenges of these 3 generations are different. Here is, you can see the 3 generations: Raj Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, and Ranbir. Similarly, in Tamil Nadu, you can see the Shivaji, Prabhu, and nothing. So the values of the first generation is loyalty. What is loyalty? The loyalty is nothing but I will be very loyal to my boss. Okay, I will be loyal to the family. You might have seen the old movies. What happened? The whole 3 generations are loyal to the servant. The master, 3 generations loyal to servant. That is loyalty. So Rishi Kapoor, the second generation is only stability. They want the stability in this one. Okay. And third one is versatility, variety. They want varieties. If you tell this modern generation or you Android generation, they will not believe 30 years working in one organization. No, I will not work. I will work in 30 organizations. Because they want variety, they want challenge. That is how the difference is coming. Okay. Next. Yeah. So, and the challenges faced by this team is different. The challenge of the radio generation is different. The challenge of the TV generation is different. The challenge of mobile generation is different. I belong to semi-radio and semi-TV generation. See, who was my role model? All the good and bad I learned from Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor, or Shivaji Ganesan, MGR. I did not have any option. Even if you want to get spoiled, I did not have any option. But here, now you see the Android generation at the tip of a button, they have an option of getting spoiled. Not spoiling a day, the spoiling in the life. See, I was in high-tech city there. Let me share you one case to tell you the vulnerability of this generation. There was a case, they were living in groups. They work in an organization which is paying them to live in group. I will not elaborate further, you can understand that. I am sharing certain painful, worst incidents, so you will know the harsh truths of what actually is happening and how the pain is there for this particular generation. This was an Android generation. They were living in a group together. 3 to 4 years, they were living in a group because the company was paying them. But you look at the background educational, they are all postgraduates. And among that, one boy and one girl, they want to get married. They got married. They had a baby. And until then, what happened? The boy was okay. And suddenly he felt he wanted to go back to the group. But the mother was not ready. The boy was telling, no, we'll go back and live like a group. Nothing is going to, even a mother, what's going to happen? Let's enjoy it. But the mother has completely changed. That is where the case came to me. Why this is happening? If you look at that, what actually is happening is, you can look at this. Can you, 1 second, how to minimize this bar? Okay, yeah, okay. Because it is obstructing my PPT. Yeah, right. If you look at the difference between nuclear family and joint family, what is happening? In joint family, there was safety wall. Safety wall, who was safety wall? A mother, brother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Okay, and microcurrents were there. It was mostly focusing on the prevention of the culture, prevention of the values. But with nuclear generation is an alarm. What happened? They come at the particular point where you cannot help. They are about to get divorced. They are physically separate. That's all. But that guy didn't go. That is where the breakdown point, the nuclear families are coming. An irreversible correction. I cannot help them out. And it's a completely total breakdown of the family. Okay. What happened? The same situation. Just imagine that the boy is in a joint family. What will happen? There will be a sister-in-law. There will be a mother-in-law. There will be an uncle fighting at the smelling of the signal itself. The bloody guy, you're married. Why is it you're coming late? Why you're coming at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock? They will cross verify with the office. They will cross verify. Who are your friends? Why that fellow you're going with that bad friend? There is a sister-in-law fighting for you. There is an uncle fighting for you. Okay. But now what has happened? The micro corrections of my brother-in-law or uncle or aunt or father. But now because these people are all absent, what actually is happening is they do not know what is correction. They are very busy. I respect them. My clients are from IT sector, both husband and wife working together. I respect them. And what actually is happening is they're so much pressured with themselves. They do not know what is a challenge and they do not know when a challenge comes, how to handle it. So what actually is happening? The whole story is they are away from their family. They are away from their roots. They are away from their culture. And now you're seeing there's a lot of marriages, cross marriages. And what actually is happening is, PPT is stuck. Yeah. Badly need parents. That is what telling. I badly need a mother. I badly need a father. Solution 1 is a mentor. Who is a mentor? A mentor is a person who is having senior to you and who is helping you with his experience, not from theory, not from the book. So my suggestion for such couples would be identify a mentor. और चितपा और कलाम और आपा और कलाम अन्ना और कलाम एक भाभी हो सकती है आपकी मौसी हो सकती है आपके जो माहौल में है within your limits try to have that emotional connection. One senior, I was working for BHEL. We used to recruit BHEL engineers, and the first year itself we used to give them mentors. Who are the mentors? Mentors are 10 years senior to them. Every week there was a meeting diary. They have to meet and they have to write down what is between mentor and mentee. And it's all mostly anything other than the official was discussed by the mentor. That means we are giving an emotional support for the mentees. Meeting was compulsory, but what is the content we never used to ask. That is how BHL is one area organization which has absorbed the concept of mentoring. The solution for such couples who are away from the roots, away from the culture, is identify a mentor, a person who is interested in helping you without money. Second is, yes, if you want my help, yes, I'm a professional mentor. Okay, I'm a professional mentor, but I create free education and a lot of awareness through these programs. You can go to my 500 YouTube videos. Okay. This is what can I break here? Sir, can you stop the screen?
Yeah, please, sir. Please.
Yeah, friends, I wanted your comments. To what extent you are with me, what extent you agree. Yes, chats, you agree with me? I want you to respond.
Participants, please type your response.
Participants, please type. Oh, I just want to know how many people are sleeping here. No response. Yeah, when, sir? Chinna Mardu, very good. Ganesh Murthy, Tirupati, thank you, sir. Snehalata, madam. Rajini, madam. Rani, Rajini, Shiva Gita, only 5. Okay, thank you. So this is the problem. This is a lot of research has been done. What has happened is after the advent of the IT generation, what has happened? The distance has grown apart. That is the reason a boy who is born in Chennai working in Gurgaon, a person who is born in Gurgaon is working somewhere in Hyderabad. The distance has happened and they badly need a mother and father. That is what I am doing it. Thank you very much, Jyoti. Thank you very much. Let's go back once again, the share screening, sir. I can share it, isn't it?
Yes, you can share, sir.
Yeah. I can share. Okay, let us go to the second part of the emotional baggage. So what is an emotional baggage? Emotional baggage is nothing but the painful emotions which you want to express but you could not express. See, we are all emotional creatures. As long as your heart is there, you are an emotional creature. So what actually happened? The heart is only the hardware. The software is your feelings. You have a feeling, maybe in the 3rd class itself, maybe 2nd class itself. What happens? He sees a beautiful guy, a beautiful girl, maybe a classmate. So every time he's very happy she's coming. She's going, she's coming. So what happens? Suddenly the girl has not come. He's unhappy. There is no friendship, but that is the love which flows from the heart. That is the emotion. Unexpressed emotion, the emotion which you have sealed it, which you have packed it, which you have sealed it in your heart, that becomes guilt form, depression form, anger form, fear form, and that creates problem in your life. So if you want to understand this emotional baggage, you have to understand you are not a 1 person, you are a 3 person, you are a 3-in-1 person. What is 3-in-1 person? One is what actually I am. Okay. One is what actually I am. And second is what I project to you. The core me, and second is the projected me. Okay, I am a trainer, I am a counselor, I am a mentor. This is what I'm projecting it. The Superman image. But actually, how do you perceive me? There are 3 images: my own self-image, a projected image, and a perceived image. Yeah. A child, an officer, every Superman has got 3 sides. His original thing is he's a very timid child. If you look at the Superman, he is scared of that. That is still he is scared, but he's Superman. He's an officer, he's Superman. What happened? The wife knows the other side of the Superman. This is what you are. So there is always a conflict between these 3 sides. Okay. Sometimes this fellow says you're great, sometimes this is great, sometimes that is great. As long as these 3 circles are in conflict, that means what? you are having an emotional baggage problem. You have an emotional baggage problem. What is emotional baggage? How to balance? You have to integrate all these three circles. You should integrate all these circles. That is, what actually I am, what I project, what I pursue should be the same. Authenticator, walking and talking should be same. If the walking and talking is not there, you will act. In order to act, what actually happens, you will become artificially, you go from your own behavior and create a problems for you. Because you have to support something acting, therefore you suppose I tell something a lie. Now, ஒரு பொய் சொன்னு வச்சுக்கிடுங்க எங்க வைஃப்ட்ட. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் அந்த பொய்யை மறைக்கிறதுக்காண்டி இன்னொரு பொய் சொல்ல வேண்டியதா இருக்கும். அது மறைக்கிறதுக்கு இன்னொரு பொய் சொல்ல வேண்டியதா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா I'm always constantly in agitation with these three circles. ஐயோ அவங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிடக்கூடாது. They should not catch hold of me, isn't it? So integration of between me, what I am at the three levels. When this happens, these three happen, then the baggage is done. 80% of the clients who come to my clinic, who come to a mentoring program, are their emotional baggage. They are having so much emotions, unexpressed emotions, which is working inside like a volcano. Anytime it may be, that works in the personal affair, sometimes it works against the partner, sometimes work against the boss, sometimes work against the society. Okay. So let me tell you one incident which has happened when I was a child. Okay. I'm not a great guy as I'm showing it, but as Pandian sir has pointed out, I have come to a very humble family. We were in Hyderabad long back. Once what happened, I met one guy when we were 5 years or 6 years old. I met a guy who was a pan. He was having a pan shop. He was giving pan to me. Suddenly he gave me free. Then afterwards I got addicted. Then he told me, you have to pay me so much money. Then I told you, I was not even matured enough to question him that you did not tell about the price. I was not matured enough. So he told me, you have to give the price, otherwise I'll come and tell your mother. So I was scared. What I did, I stole 5 rupees from my father's pocket. And I was hiding here, there, sometimes in the rat hole, sometimes in the tap, sometimes in the electric switch, so that my mother will forget and I can give the money. But I was asking so many questions to my mother. What will happen? God will take me to hell or heaven when I die? So the way I was asking my question, my mother told, what happened with you? Why you are asking so many questions? Then I told, this is what happened. Then she told, I thought, okay, she will take care. What she did know, she went, took that big spoon, put it in the hot stove, and she put a scar on me. She put a scar on me. Still, you can see the scar. I don't know if you can see that. So this scar, this will will you become a thief? Will you become a thief? I told no, I will not become a thief. Sorry, mother, sorry, mother, sorry, mother. But from that time onwards, okay, money is away from me. Oh, I lost all these things because of my mother. I wanted mother, this bloody money as separation. I don't want. That is the reason last 20 years, I gave least, but my value has changed towards money. Money is last for me. Please understand, this is unexpressed emotion. This was emotion, a catharsis. Catharsis is crying. In one of the training program when I learned NLP, one of the tools was crying to the maximum. Thinking about the pain point, then that the basic blueprints get changed. Otherwise, the blueprint will be there and you'll be repeating it. So there are many unexpressed emotions, each and every one of you. If you're suffering from that, I would say, please write down this one or close your room, cry it out. Cry it out, top of your voice. If you're writing it, please write down on the paper and afterwards you burn it off. This is a therapy. Tear it off. It's a therapy. I had a client who came to me and he was telling me, sir, doctor, I want to, he was about 7 years old, 9 years old boy. He told, sir, I heard about your articles on this one, NLP, and I want to tell you my story. Oh, you tell. I will not tell, sir. You may write my name. I told, okay, don't tell. Then after, no, sir, you're a very nice person. You will not tell. I want to tell. Okay, please tell. You are about to start it. No, sir, I will not tell. You may change the name. My mother will know about it. My mother is very intelligent. Then I told him, you do one thing. Take this paper and write what all you want to tell. I will go other side of the room. I went up the other side of the room. Then the boy started writing. I thought 1 page is over, 2 pages. He went around 17 pages he wrote. It took half an hour. And he kept like this, ha, with a big sigh he kept it. Then I entered the room and said, how do you feel now? He told, sir, I am feeling as if I have woken up from some 10 days sleep. Oh, very nice. I took the paper. Yeah, this paper number 1, paper number 2, paper number 3. Yeah, I have seen it. I tore it off. I told, now cut into pieces and throw it when you go outside in the tank bund area. Okay. So what has happened? This 1 hour of cathartic exercise has removed all his emotions. So otherwise, this is like a speed breaker. Every time when you go bump, when you go 1 step forward, 3 steps backward, 1 step forward, 3 steps backward, 1 step forward, 3 until unless you clear this cathartic, painful emotional baggage, you can never improve in your relationship. This is the second problem my young friends are suffering. Let me go to the integrity. Walk and talk. At least with some people, you should be truth. Maybe your wife, உங்க வைஃப்ட்ட சொல்லலாம், உங்க அம்மாட்ட சொல்லலாம், இல்ல உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சொல்ல, யாராவது ஒருத்தர் இருக்கணும். உண்மையை சொல்லக்கூடிய 100% இவர் தான் இது. நீங்க நடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சீங்கன்னா லைஃப் உங்களே நடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். And what has happened in psychology say when you start moving away from behavior, you are a very clear case of psychic case. So somewhere you should have your own authenticity. You should be able to talk. You should be able to express your emotions. Share with somebody. If not, at least share it on the notebook. Otherwise, you are creating a problem for yourself, particularly for youngsters. Okay, let us go to the solution. Is reprogram your mind. The simple method is, one is I told you. Write down, cry out, and reprogram your mind. Or else, a lot of videos are there which talks about my work. And NLP is a very, very powerful techniques which creates a lot of how to reformat your old blueprint of your thoughts and get a new blueprint of it. What is NLP? NLP is nothing but a mind programming techniques. It helps you to identify and structure your experience. I will tell you an example. NLP is nothing but coding, decoding, recoding of your experience. Suppose you come with and you tell me these are the problems I'm facing. We don't ask. NLP don't. That is the reason why I'm successful is I don't ask my client to talk. You need not talk. You just be in front of me. I'll be able to tell your problem. You'll tell yes or no. So one of the famous trainers is Tony Robbins. His training program is always minimum 1 stadium full. He's one of the pioneers of NLP. And in fact, he is my great inspirational role model. One case he shares. His American government wanted one army operation, secret army operation. They approached Anthony Robbins, the NLP expert, and told them, you have to teach a person who can do some 100x of bullets, I don't know the number, 100x of bullets per minute with the latest equipment. That means 100 firings. He told, okay, get me a person with 100 firings. He told, no, we don't have a person. World's number 1 person, how much he can do? He told, there's a guy 70. What is the average? Average is 10. Average rate is 10 shots per minute. The world number 1 guy got 70 shots per minute. So the world number 1 guy was brought to him. He started analyzing as a software of the mind, what he holds, how he holds, a lot of questionnaires, structuring, restructuring, and he decoded the brain structure, the software of the 70 shots guy, and he has rescripted and encoded it to the another guy. That means very simple. The software, once I can understand your software, when I can decode your software, I can reinstall in somebody's software and he will also be performing. NLP is nothing but a very powerful, mathematically measurable science. That is, always I'll tell my mentees that there are 2 mistakes. If you come to me, there are only 2 mistakes. First mistake is I am not teaching you properly, or you are not doing. That's all, nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. The system has never failed. The system has never failed. So that is my back end is NLP. Okay. So friend, I wanted your response. I'll just stop sharing here. There are some questions. Yes, sir. So how many of you know Tamil, sir? Okay, made a note of it. Anything else? Sheila, madam, okay, agreed. No Tamil, I will talk in English. Yeah, how many of you agree with the second point, emotional baggage? Emotional baggage is to be cleared. I wanted your participants to respond to that. Are there any young couples or all old couples? I have a doubt. Because young couples are always energetic to participate. Here I am seeing all old couples. And it all depends on how much you're defining yourself. Are you young or are you old? Agree with the second point. Thank you. One response. Anybody else? Okay, Hemlata. Thank you, madam. Are you there or are you sleeping? Very good. Even the video few came and totally the blank and here only yes. Very good. Thank you. Okay, I'll go to the third point. Okay. Babu Garu, thank you. Venkateshwari, thank you. Sudha Gupta, life is a long journey. The more baggage we carry, we will have to carry it and we will get tired. So the lighter we travel, happy we will because of journeys. Yes. Thank you, Sudha madam. What you're telling is correct. You have to understand it's not that every person is unloading it. He is unloading it by default. He doesn't know how to unload. Are you getting a point? But now he is coming to a professional person, teaching him how to unload. It's something like, let us say, imagine a room there. You have your grandfather has given a big bungalow. 20 rooms are there. One room is told no, nobody should open that room. What will happen? It is full of dust. It is full of spiders, full of cockroaches, full of rats. It has been never cleaned, isn't it? That is what is happening. It. So now we are taking hold of it. We are telling this is the key. This is how you have to open. This is how to clean it. So now we teach through NLP technique, other technique, how to clean it yourself. Okay, that is where the hundreds of hours of efforts which can be cleared in 1 minute. So others, thank you. I'll go to the next part. Any questions? We'll keep it as a question hour. Okay, thank you. Okay. So you've seen this? Yeah, NLP skills. Now, and a third thing which I'm going to tell you, this is my favorite topic, is we are surrounded by poor role models. Okay, poor mental models. See, who are a role model? Any problem is there, you first go to a friend, isn't it? First, for the baby, who is the model? Mother. Until he goes to, until he sees the father, mother is a model, isn't it? Then he goes to the school. The moment he goes to whom, role model shifts. Who's the teacher? He says, 3 into 3, how much? 3 into 3 is 12. 3 into 3. No, my teacher told me it is 12. He might have heard wrong, but he has got so much respect for the teacher. No, my teacher is correct. You don't know anything. So mother is gone, father is gone. Once you go to the college, mother, father, and teacher is gone, friends are becoming a role model. If your friends are wrong, life is wrong. For everything, he is your consultant. No. For any problem, your consultant is your friend. If the consultant is wrong, what will happen? Input is wrong, output is always wrong. Okay, I'm going to share a few poor mental models. One mental model I written year 5, one is the failing education system. Second is parent intelligent mistake system. Third is student stress level management system, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law syndrome, and work-life balance. We'll go one by one. So, you know, a fish in a fish tank, it will eat only from the fish tank, isn't it? It cannot go outside. So if you give a healthy food water, it increases the immunity system, excellent growth. It has a long life. We got a good digestion. And what happens? Even color doesn't fade and contains all the nutrients. So I am born in India. I will give Indian example only. I cannot give American example. I cannot give any African example. Isn't it? So please understand, whenever you're talking about a child is nothing but a fish in the fish tank. What are the ingredients in the fish tank that only will consume? So all these role models, all the systems I would consider, and all the boundaries of this fish tank. Number one. Yeah. What happens when the fish tank is not cleaned? It smells. What will happen? It stinks. You are surrounded. See, you are nothing but your friends. Tell about your friend, I will tell about you. You know, tell about you. Tell about your friends. I will tell about you. So if the fish tank is not cleaned, it stinks. You know the education system. Lord Macaulay has designed education system. I have a lot of respect for him. He designed the education system for that time, during the British period, where they wanted a person who can read mathematics, read English, so that he can work from anywhere in the British Empire, from Australia to Africa. Okay, a person who undergoes system, he'll be placed somewhere in Antarctic Ocean or Arctic Ocean. He doesn't know. So that was the system, because they were ruling the whole world, Lord Macaulay. But still, we are not updated. We don't want to update. And we are running that. You know that here, see, everything is fair. What happened? For a fair selection, everybody has to take the test. What is the test? Climb the tree. Can an elephant climb? Monkey can climb. Can a bird can climb? It cannot climb. But who are the climber, I will rate them. That is where the faulty education system is there. And what has happened here, you see, this was a Gallup survey. I don't talk from my intuition. I talk from the Gallup survey. What happened? The question was, in which system you have faith? Number one faith is in my military. Jai Jawan. Next is business. Nowhere in this sea you can see they have faith in the education system. So education system is out of the circuit. So that means they do not have faith, because education system, what is giving? Whether you get job or not, student loan is ready. That is what it is giving that. That is incompetent teachers. What is incompetent teachers? A teacher who is not capable of teaching. Recently, I went to Coimbatore. I went into one school. I told them, this is what I am doing. I want to talk to the teachers. When I inquired, after talking to them about ADHD and all those things, 90% of teachers were MTech students. Post-graduation engineering teaching LKG students. That is the level of education system has recruited this. See, this is from Tamil Nadu One Gazette. The decision has gone down with some teachers. Sorry, where is it? Yeah. That means engineers can be BTech graduates, can become school teachers, not B.Ed. So this is where one villain is silently coming out, spoiling the future of the children. We are helpless spectators. How many of you know that which is the best education system in the world? Anybody? Anybody can chart on which is the best education system in the world? Anybody in the chat room? Gurukulam, right? I'm asking which. Okay, I would say, oh yeah, right. Very good. Country, I'm talking about the country. Right, very good. Finland. Oh, good. I'm very good. Happy. Very good. Happy. Finland. Yes. Why Finland? Thank you, Ganesh. Thank you, Nisha. Thank you, Venkateshwari. Yes. Why? The one stark case is they go to the school at the age of 7. Up to 7 years, they're not allowed. What happened? By the time he's 7 years, he knows mother, father, uncle, the whole maturity comes. He has already learned the practicals. How to solve the problem. That is one of the reasons. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Thank you, and thank you for your response. Krishnamurthy sir, I'm very happy the participants are responding.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So yeah, a second. This bar is interfering with me. Okay. Yeah, this is a Finland. As you told, Finland.
Sir, you can go for slideshow view.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Finland is the number 1. Okay, Finland is the number 1 because every year there is a test called PISA test, where all the students have international tests for performance of the students, capacity, capability. The questions is how much you can solve the problem solving capacity. So what has happened?
Every year, all countries are participating, and India has never been participating. And somehow, some few students, few initiative of few well-wishers, few students from Tamil Nadu, and few from Himachal Pradesh, they went there. So when the ranking was 73, not 10, 73. Then what has happened? This HRD ministry came to know. He told, why did you send these people at all? We are getting a bad name. And they told HRD ministry refused the PISA. In future, nobody will go to PISA test because we are getting a bad name. It is like something like what is happening? If your children is failing, what you are doing? You are failing. Therefore, you don't go to exam. You don't go to school. There was a story, a cobbler made a chapel. He made a chapel. And the next man, the man came and he was putting the chapel. He told, sir, chapel is not fitting. Sir, chapel is okay, sir. Yesterday, your leg has grown. I will remove the leg finger. That is what is happening. Such is the type of HRD ministry. Instead of making the teachers comfortable, instead of making the students comfortable to perform yourself international tests, here, I am not talking, here is what, see, the diplomat. So India will not participate any future in the test. This is the type of well-wishers and role models are there. India refuses to participate. PISA is hard to understand and deface logic in 2009 survey students of 2 Indian states, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh. India is placed 72 among 74 participating countries. That means the last. Therefore, HRD means India has chosen not to participate in PISA in future. This is the type of model. Parents, please understand, this is the type of model you are having. Parent intelligence system. They know the system is not working. Okay. There is saying, those who do not remember the past, they are condemned to repeat it. History is always repeats it. If you don't learn from history, it will repeat until unless it is changed. I know the education system. Okay. Therefore, still we go and invest in the education system. This is a story like a Pied Piper. He takes all the people to the valley of death. Okay. You know that you are doing a bully of your children after 10 years, 20 years. I'm not telling to challenge that, but I want you to understand. Can you take a different path? I'm also from that system only. We cannot fight against the law. We cannot fight. Very few parents are there who are intelligent to find a solution among the same system. Yeah. Like a goat is sacrificed, you're sacrificing your children. He doesn't understand, put him BA, MA, MSc. A case came to me. A principal, that guy is failing in engineering. He has been doing engineering for 9 years. 4 years only. 9 years he could not do. He was failing everything. And they came to me when that fellow attempted suicide. A madam came to me, being a school principal. And when I did the analysis, I understood this guy comes from a Bharatanatyam family, an artistic family. For him, singing, Bharatanatyam, dancing, tunes, composing songs, that is the flesh and blood in their family. So that is where he is into. He has been forced into engineering and is utterly failure. Will he get a job? Then I asked, madam, you know that you are a school principal. How do you know? I thought because he can read English, he can read engineering also. That is the expression given by a school principal. That fellow says, sir, I can clear n number of theory papers. I cannot clear one mathematics paper. Mathematics, even in next birth, I cannot do mathematics. I cannot do calculus. So there are people who, you know pretty well, this fellow is not capable. You put him, it is the fate of a goat. Well, how many more goats you want to sacrifice? Still you go raise educational loans. Well, another case in one of my relatives, that fellow did engineering. He got a job in Microsoft. He went for 1 month, suddenly came back. And he told, Dad, I want to go for journalism. And he told, I already raised the educational loan for this. I'm not able to pay what you are doing. So you raise one more loan. So he went for one more loan and he went for this one. Now he's settled. He's with Hindustan Times. What has happened? He could not identify with the passion. Neither he was interested in the passion, nor the parents took the support, nor the school is having a school psychologist to identify the passion of the kids. There's only a syllabus being completed. And once again, who are the victims? Parents are the victim. And that is the reason India is the Indian youth suicide capital of the world. Among this 15 to 17 years, most of the cases come from Kota. Kota is an area where a lot of pressure areas are there. IITs, suicide in IITs. Okay, this is the suicide rate, world's #1. And what happened? They got their own relaxation mechanism. What is the relaxation mechanism? Video games. And what is the video game? All violence. See, they want to have their own relief. I told you, no, the fish will eat whatever is in the tank. So what is it? The fish is trying to go to this side of the tank. Assuming I was there, what is video games is coming? My father cannot understand me. My mother cannot, my brother cannot understand me. Let me go and relax in the video games. This is the best-selling video games. Violence. And you know the story of blue whale. You know which is the country that has maximum download of blue whales? India. Next to Russia, China, next to Russia, India is the #1 maximum down. That means what? This all things have been done without the knowledge of the parents. You know, many cases, no, where people are committing suicide because of this game. Next is Hindi movie. Their movies. What is the movie? Again, violence. Top 10 movies. If you look at top 10 movies, Kabir Singh. It is a story of a hero who is an angry doctor. It is come in Tamil, Durva, something like that. What is the first scene you see? No, the angry doctor. What he does? He molests one lady, one girl, at the point of a knife. What is the message you're sending? Yes, you can put a knife and you can make her undress by forcing her the knife. That is the first short scene. And second is a war. Hero eliminate the mentor. Mentor has done the mistake. That means your Guruji has done the mistake. You eliminate him. Where is the Guru Sishya Parampara? He said that is the only method. And URI, the #1, attack on Indian army. Who are the hero? Angry doctor. Kill the mentor. Attack Indian army. This is the type of heroes who were celebrating. Of course, there are two things, Mission Mangal and Bharat. These are two good movies. 80% of the movies. Let us look at the top 10 movies, Tamil movies. Except Bigil, other three. Petai. What is Petai? Hostile warden against the politician. Asuran, fighting between the caste, upper caste and lower caste. Kanchana 3, revenge through ghost. Full of violence. This is the model world you are sitting together. You're standing together. What else you will eat? And thanks to Ekta Kapoor, who started a mother-in-law and daughter-in-law game. And every serial mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, every language is percolated. MIL, DIL. And every day, mother-in-law knows how are the different ways of, she's getting 10 different ways of poisoning the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law is getting updated with 10 different ways of poisoning the mother-in-law. This is the system in which we are living. I did the TRP rating of this one TV. You know what is that #1? Aidu Eluthu. Aidu Eluthu is a local lady, heroine, a local villain, a mother-in-law. And one IAS officer, lady IAS officer, challenges her. So she plays such a game that IAS officer has been forced to resign, and now she is a mother-in-law. And all the torture against this IAS officer, that is the #1 serial. So what actually it means very, very clearly, we love violence. We educate violence. But what actually is happening is, whatever you do the rehearsal, that only becomes the final. That is what NLP says. NLP, whatever the 10 times you do the rehearsal, 10 times, let us say 10 days, you see whole movie. 11th day, what happens, the same movie will run in your mind, isn't it? And you will actualize it, you will manifest it. So if you are seeing such movies, applauding such moving, giving games, rewarding such games. What actually happens? We will do that. Next one is, yeah. I think I can go up to 1 o'clock. Yeah. So here I will start it. So how many of you agree with my particular point? Where is that? Stop sharing. How many participants are sleeping? How many are active? Yes, sir. Your comments. Your comments, please. The education system is surrounded by this one. Any parents are there? I think many participants are sleeping or they left, they switched off and they are gone. Okay, Nisha madam, one Nisha madam has replied. Among the 51 participants, only one Nisha is, I think, listening. Others are still thinking about, oh, Hemlata madam, thank you. Thank you. Babu Garu, thank you. Babu Garu is a professor and he is one of my mentees. He's in Kerala. He hails from Andhra Pradesh and I passed on the information. Thank Babu Garu for coming and attending the program. Thank you very much. Yes, Ganesh Murthy, thank you. Venkateshwari madam, thank you. Okay. See, the law of 10% always works. See, when I have a party, I invite 100 people, only 10 people will come. The same thing is happening here. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Devaraj Garu. Okay, I'll go to the next scene. Next is work-life balance. Okay. Next is work-life. What is work-life? Balancing the work and also the personal life and professional life. See, once again, the Gallup survey says, as the money goes up, happiness is coming down. As the money is going up, happiness is coming down. See, 86.9% of the people on this planet are unhappy. Majority of people are unhappy in this world because of various reasons. This is not Gallup survey is telling. Why? I will come to that. See, there are 3 types of any organization. You can see the 3 types of people. What is engaged, not engaged, and actively disengaged. See, 10% people are they are the people who are really working, and there are some 50% people who only act as if they are working. Whether it's a core team or in an organization or in the family. The pullers or less, these are the people observer. They come once in a while to help this fellow. So don't worry about the puller, don't worry about the actor, but you are very, very careful about the people who spoilers. They are actively engaged in disengaging the work, pulling these people to their side. Okay. That was engaged, not engaged, and actively disengaged. Let us look at the Gallup survey. 13% of employees are engaged. Now also you see only out of 51, how many are engaged? Only 5 or 6 participants are engaged. I'm not saying others are not engaged. Maybe you may be having your own problem. Maybe you're on mobile, you're not able to do that. I'm not, just for our understanding purpose. So 13% of employees are actively engaged. What is that? Passionately? Among that, passionately means no, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritual engagement. That's called engagement. Not, okay, I am my duty. Oh, he has told me I am doing it. These proactive people are the people who are changing the society. That means the whole society is run only because of these 10% of people. Then who is the root cause? For all these things, who is the root cause? Let me once again stop sharing. And here I want your maximum participation because I'm going to come to the end of the session. Where is the chart? Madam, Geeta madam, on pannalama video எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க பார்க்கலாமா? Because I'm not getting the response.
இல்லைங்க சார், ஆக்சுவலி நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுமேங்க சார், அப்புறம் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடும்.
Okay.
They can give their response in the chat box.
Yeah, I am looking for the response.
Okay, participants, please type your response in the chat box.
Poor mental models. I showed about the poor mental models of society. One is the education system. Okay. One is their parents, they know pretty well, but they are helpless.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Rathi, Meenakshi, yes, right, agreed. Next. Now I want your response, no? Only marks matters, and people believe only a degree can provide a job or the money. Yes, that is what has happened. Okay. Good. What Gupta ji, madam, what you are giving a link? What is that link? Could you please type what actually it is? Okay, right, agreed. Thank you. Rani ji, thank you. Venkateshwari. Those who actively engage is dumped with loads of work, and those who don't is left free always. Right, agreed. I do not say, Madam Venkateshwari, madam, I agree with you. The same thing, I was also a victim to that. In an organization like BHL, a public sector, the moment that fellow enters the organization, his goal is stopped. He need not learn whether he works or doesn't know. He gets a promotion, he gets salary, he gets all the benefits. As he told, a person who's working is always working. A person who doesn't work. So I was working, I was doing 3 times, 4 times. That is the reason now I am reaping the benefits. Because that skill is there in me. I agree. The bad side is overloaded. The good side is, but are you engaged in the work? Even if you are engaged, it will be a creative engagement. Because 5 people are not able to do. I do the work. I love doing that work. I have chosen the work. If you have chosen a work which is not interesting to you, then becomes the problem. Thank you very much, madam.
If you choose your passion, then if your passion becomes work, you will be happy.
Passion becomes a profession, very happy. Otherwise, you have passion as your hobby. Many clients will come to me. I don't want to tell. We have my clients here, and I tell them that go revisit your hobby. The tension will go off. Okay, I agree with you. So the only system numbers highest percentage. Yeah, you told me. Okay, I don't want to this one time, and I'll go to the last point in the slide. Thank you very much, madam, for all of you. The root cause. Yeah, sorry. You people are very intelligent. Sir, Krishnamurthy sir, unga pasangala romba intelligent divert pannanga sir.
Thank
okay.
you, sir.
So, madam, tell me, who is the root cause? I want 3 of you to respond. Who is responsible for this root cause? If you are in front of me, I would have given some 100 rupees reward for the person who is writing here. Yeah, who is the root cause for all these things? Sudha madam. Government. Okay. Devraj garu. Education. Okay, right. Revati madam. We the people. Oh, very good. Next, anybody else?
Our society.
Our society. Hemlata madam. In many ways, we are the root cause. Santosh Kumar. Sir, Santosh Kumar, sir, can you think, refine your answer? Okay. Santosh Kumar, Jyoti, you are near to the answer. I want you to refine the answer. Education, society, government, agreed. Okay. So it will go on debate. I will tell you. Okay, we'll come to that. Very, from my research, is the mother. The mother is the root cause of all these problems. A mother who's having a poor self-esteem, an introvert mother who cannot fight for herself against the father, how she will protect her children? I get a lot of my clients and IT clients, all are introverts, 50%. Yeah, the boss will tell, go and leave the telephone. Sir, I will not talk on the telephone. He is scared of talking on the telephone. Introvert. Go to the meeting. No, sir, I don't want to go to meeting. Let me tell you a small story. It's a real story. This is a lady. She and her husband had two sons, and the husband was working in a police department. He had ambition of supporting his 6 to 7 brothers and sisters at the cost of his wife and children. So the wife, jewelry was removed, assets was removed, sharing the pool, yeah. Assets were removed, and wife was cautioning him, see, you cannot support your brothers and sister to such an extent at the cost of ours. So, but the husband, the lady's husband did not listen. So the lady had one boy, 6 or 7 years old boy. The boy was a mother's pet, and whatever mother says, he agrees. She told every time, every night, she used to tell the boy, your father is not listening to me. Come, we will go to God. The boy told, okay, mom, we'll go to God. But it never used to come because almost 1 year the story. Mother says, God, she never takes to me. She cries, she sleeps. Father will shout at her. Whenever he's shouting, he comes and tells that. And one day morning, 11 o'clock, the mother, night 7 o'clock, the mother was very bitterly crying and took the boy, come, we'll go to God. He told, okay, we'll go to God. For him, a 7 years old boy, what is God? It is going to park. This girl went to Hanumanji temple. There in the well, she pushed the boy and she pushed herself. No, they totally dark. The boy told, what is it, mother? You told you will take me to God and you are pushing me in the well. No, there's a shortcut from well to this Hanumanji. We can go. The boy believed her. And next time she pressed her own nostrils, locked her own nostrils and the nostrils of the boy and pushing. And the boy started flapping, splashing and creating a noise. And the whole temple people who were there came to the rescue. And that boy is the boy who is now doing the presentation in front of you. I am telling my own story. So the Pujari asked me, the bad name which your mother is going to earn after the suicide, will it continue? Will it increase? Yeah, I told it will increase. Do you want that? I told, I don't want a bad name for mother. Then don't commit suicide. Educate your mother, educate your father. You are ready to die for your mother. But there are many mothers who do not have children like you who are going to support them. It was something motivational, very inspirational, some good moral is coming. I told, yes. She told, you have to not only support your mother, you have to support other mothers. Yeah, I told, I will support many mothers, 1,000 mothers, lakhon ko karenge hum. And that is the reason I am passionate. This was a God-made syllabus for me. Because my mother has suffered, my mother has cried so much. I don't want any other mother to cry on this earth. Maybe I could not fulfill this to my mother, but our mission is 1 million young mothers. And all my clients are young couples. I see my young mother in them, my young father in them. Okay, your response, please. How did you like this story, my mission? Yes, agree, Snehalata, you agree, all children not understanding. And again, because of the mother. Anything else? Okay. You're right. God takes mission to higher level. Agreed. Very true, inspiring. Okay. I would like to tell you what is the age of the youngest father in the world? Can you please write down? Any response? What is the age of the youngest father in the world? Meenakshi, thank you. Right. Venkateshwari, only one. 16, maybe 16. 12 years, right. You're right. I'll go to my slide. Sometimes when I put into that mode, no, this is creating a problem. Yeah. This here is the guy, no, 13 years old boy has become the father. And not some recently, about 1 year ago, one Kerala boy, 10 years, he has broken the record. See, don't think that your child who's early in the morning tell you good morning and going to the God and praying to God with folded hand and putting vibhuti or bottu and going to school. When she comes back, the same innocent face is having the same software. No. 1 ton of garbage has gone. Every day the child is having 1 MBBS syllabus of information without your knowledge. Please understand. Just because you pray to God, your child is not safe. You have to good at parenting. See, you look at this boy, what he's telling, he was enjoying for me. That means the whole mother, father, they never worried what 2 years, what happened to this boy. There is one movie of Pavanasam. Pavanasam Tamil, it has come in Hindi also. What happened that you look at the parenting style of the police officer and the lawyer. The police officer has one son is having a car, 3 ATM cards, 3 credit card, ATM, 1 car, cell phone. Boy is not coming for weeks together to the house. They don't know where the boy is. The father is asking the mother, where is your son? She told, I don't know. No, see, last 1 week I'm not able to locate him. And why this fellow has spent 63,000 yesterday, credit card? So what is the mother telling, Mother is telling, oh, நீங்க இப்போ அவருடைய கவோர்ட்ல எல்லாம் போய் ரிசிப்ட்லாம் பார்க்கறாரு. You are trying to do the detective work for your son. That means the mother is supporting the son. She is not worried the guy has spent 63,000 rupees. A school boy, where he is for the last 1 week, you do not know. When some complaint is coming, she is supporting that. This is what is happening. This is an extreme example, exaggerated example of parenting which is going on today. Yeah, next. This can happen. If it happen there in the West, it can happen already in Kerala. It can happen in Kerala, it can happen anywhere. If it happens some other family, why not in our family? I told you initially, I am not a radio generation where years together I can have Shivaji Ganesan or Dilip Kumar a role model. Role models are continuously changing. My challenge is different. I think once again I have to. So what is the solution for this? The solution is very simple. Mentoring, coaching, counseling, mentoring. So this is where I do diagnostic counseling. That is how I am different from others. When a couple come to me or a parent come to me or when an officer come to me over phone, I don't immediately give the appointment. Other school of psychology, my school of psychology is different. 90% of the people, with respect to all my psychologists here, people who have done PG in India, their syllabus is only theoretical syllabus. They only give advice. And at the most, they may refer to a psychiatrist. Mine is a diagnostic counseling. I talk to the husband separately. I talk to wife separately. I talk to husband separately. I talk to wife separately, free of cost. I ask them to give an email. I ask them to give email. When he is giving the email, then only he is my client. Until then, I don't talk about the fees. I don't talk about the fees because I want my client to get educated. Homework for every session. No sessions, homework. That is minimum. No session means no homework. No homework means no counseling, no mentoring. And we have a diary called V meeting where husband and wife has to, every week they have to meet in the V meeting diary. And my team will ask, meeting diary kodandingla sir kekararu illana poi konduvaanga, otherwise they are sent off. I use the psychometric tools, many, and one of the powergram is Enneagram. Enneagram is a very powerful psychometric tool to diagnose the personalities. Then I give them the book assignments, video assignments, because I'm making them to do a PhD work. They have to go and interview certain role models. Good role models from my side, two parents will be given to them, grandfather will be given to them. From their side, they have to write down the script of the interview. That is where the process of mentoring. As long as you're doing counseling, it is only transaction. Hunting model. What is hunting model? Hit the prey and hit the target, get the prey. That is hunting model. I am into a farming model. I have to put the seed, I have to get the sprout, then nurse it, then I nurture it and give it to them. I am doing more than counseling. Our team is doing more than counseling. We don't believe in counseling model, but counseling is a starting point. We are moving into a mentoring model. So that what happened? So that the parents become more empowered. They identify their own talents. They identify the talent of their kids. The many career guidance program. Career guidance program is a menu-based program. In arts, 10 questions. In commerce, 10 questions. In science 10 questions. And wherever you're more, you're telling that is a career. There is something from the menu which is not in the menu. That is where we help them. Inborn career, do you know the mother's womb, you can manufacture baby according to your specification. That is what Atal Bihari Vajpayee University is conducting a program every year. If you do not know, we are an ignorant world. Next, my strength of my success comes from this Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Practical Guide, John Gray. If you can come to my live webinar on Facebook. You can join if you're interested there. I am conducting this course free of cost. And then there's a Gottman Institute, 10 Lessons of Marriage. Gottman is another great guy on this planet. I've got a respect for him. He's got a big island. And he has got a lot of couples coming to them. A lot of research, videotape, tons and tons of videotape. Finding the biofeedback mechanism, electronic mechanism, heart mechanism. You go to Gottman Institute, you will know about it. These are my two great role models. I really respect these two great people who are changing the phase of relationship in life. You cannot find, in fact, Gottman says there are 500 words. Any person who knows this 500 word will be a super happy couple. And I have identified 100 words in my clinic so far. So these are the two great role models who have been helping me. And this, yes, Dr. Richard Bandler, he is the co-founder of NLP. I learned through him how a word can create a chemical, how a language, NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. By changing the language, I can create the hormones which I want. There are 4 hormones, those: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. These are the 4 happy chemicals that are creating the game. When I am dull, oxytocin is less. So how to create more endorphin? So this is a great person, Richard Bandler, and NLP is playing with your subconscious mind, not with a conscious mind. I told you the example of Anthony Robbins, how it does. Code, decode, and recode. Very simple. I can go take the successful person's model. I can recode it. I can install in somebody else's brain. Does Enneagram, the 9 powerful tools. This is another reason why my diagnosis only is Enneagram diagnosis. And I told him NLP Pioneer of India. This is a book I wrote in 2002. This is my first NLP, in fact, the first NLP interview in India. It was on Raj TV. This on my website and details. You can go through that. This is my Practo.com. If you go to Practo.com, Chennai, Practo.com is a website of all doctors, city-wise. You can go there. And there in Chennai, if you put psychologist, you'll get my name. Below that, you can see hundreds of clients here. They have given their live feedback after going through my treatment or training or mentoring. These are my YouTube videos. This is my website. And this is my mission of empowering 1 million young couples so that they identify their own inborn talent. They help identify the talents of this one. For this, I cannot do alone. I want your support. I want to multiply 1,000 trainers like me, 1 million couples, so that we can have a world full of empowered couple. They can guide the next generation. Otherwise, they are trapped in their own mistakes without knowing. They think the suffering is suffering. Suffering is an exported behavior, is an imported behavior. I will tell you the last case. What has happened is 3 years they were married. They were in love. And 2 weeks they cannot go together. So after marriage, they entered into a flat. In that flat, what has happened? The milkman was coming, the EB fellow was coming, the guy was scared. He was running away. The wife told, what is the strange behavior you're doing it? No, I am scared of such people who come on the gate. So you don't worry about it, I will handle it. She was handling it. Then once what happened, some apartment people, 10, 12 people had some 1 hour meeting in his room. So the lady was handling all those things. Then the apartment people went off, the society went off. She went to the room and saw husband crying. He told, what happened? No, so many people have come into this room. What will happen when I am not there? They come and they do something to you. She told, they are our society people. We are very much, no, I don't want any people to come onto my door. This can never happen. No, I will take you to a flat where such problems are not. She told, see, already we are in EMI. What flat you're talking about? It will never happen. She told, don't worry, I have got a friend and I will do that. So next week he told, pack off to the lady went to her mother's house. This boy went. One month has become 2 months, 3 months, nothing. Then what has happened? The mother-in-law was narrating the whole story to the father-in-law. Father-in-law, after listening, he told, so what is the problem? What is the great problem? Your mother-in-law is doing the same thing for the last 30 years. She's also a moody girl. I am managing her. You should manage your husband. She told, sir, you can manage. I got different aim, different ambitions. I don't want to become a mother for your boy. You had the patience. My aims are different. My ambitions are different. She told, okay, file for separation. I cannot nurture. I cannot become a mentor to them. So even though they were together, it happened. So here I want you to understand the behavior which the husband is demonstrating is not a reactive behavior. It's a built-in behavior which is coming from the mother to the son. If you don't check what will happen, one more generation will become a victim. So my mission is to empower 1 million young couples. They are out of this victimization, 3-generation victimization trap. Otherwise, one more 3 generations, the same problem will be coming. Okay. So this is what this one, friends. So okay. So let me summarize. Yeah. Away from the roots. The top 3 problems this generation is facing, they are away from their mother, father, culture. Born in Assam, living in Delhi. Born in Delhi, living in Chennai. They are marrying the other culture. I'm not telling marrying other culture right or wrong. But what I get that pain is that they always want a mother or father to correct their behaviors, to listen to them emotionally, support them emotionally. So if you are not able to get, please identify a mother and father in your neighborhood himself. Better than a doctor, they are your badly needed mentors. And third is past emotional baggage. Everybody is having emotions, unexpressed emotions you are having. And one method I told you is, please write down in your notebook and burn it off. And you are surrounded by a lot of poor mental models. You see, education system is a problem, government is a problem. You cannot fight with the education system, but can you proactively think and identify the talent of your kids and invest in them? My daughter is in Bangalore. I'm having a grandson. So he's also a victim to this. But we were observing that fellow was doing a lot of games, video games. And one day he believes in shooting most of the games. Then a thought came, why not we convert this shooting into a talent? So he's admitted in the rifle sports. So can as a mother or a father, can you be sensitive to the inborn talents of the kids and nurture them to a better one? Now he is a guy who is in the South Indian context. He has gone for 2 wins and he has won the medal. So that is where I tell, I'm not telling I'm here to blame the system. We are a part of the system, but can you find out, only few parents can proactively find a solution. And my mission is to help 1 million young couples. I want your help so that I can reach these people. Okay, that is where I ended, and I just open it for my participation, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. Just a minute, sir. I will share my screen.
Yeah.
Sir gave us a nice real life example, sir.
Yeah.
Gave us nice real life examples and caught the pulse of today's youngsters, like movies and serials, games, etc., and made us to sit for 1.5 hours without moving here and there. He's just caught us, caught us to sit, and I will try to excel as a mother to my children, sir. And all the best for your mission to make 1 million couples happy. And since there is a time constraint, shall we skip the question answer sessions so that if the participants, if they send their questions through mails or WhatsApp, we will connect the questions with you?
Yeah.
Okay, since it's already time. So we will just skip the question answer session, and if the participants have any questions, they will send us and we will connect the questions.
Yeah, my number 964 is already there. 964000054. You can go to ptsundaram.com. A lot of information is there in social media.
Okay, sir. Okay. And this is the announcement about our next program. This is happening on Friday. Basics of COVID, what everyone should know, by Dr. Meenakshi Paramasivam, consultant radiologist, Apollo Specialty Hospital, OMR, Chennai. And this is on Friday 31st at 6:45 p.m. And all of you join to update yourself and clear your doubts about COVID. And now it is vote of thanks by Mr. S. Balachandra.
Before that, madam, I thank you. I thank your whole team for Dr. Krishnamurthy sir. Thank you very much for giving me a platform. I have become a part and parcel of you. And I was very happy. I am also able to contribute and vibrate with your care philosophy. Thank once again, sir, all of you and all the participants. Thank you very much, all the participants, for asking and responding to my questions. Hope this is a very big change for you. And similarly, I want you to be directly or indirectly connected with me, so that we can take the my mission ahead. I want you to support me. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, sir.
It's our pleasure to host you, sir. It's our pleasure. Okay, now vote of thanks by Mr. S. Balachandra sir, Director ELM World Academy, Joint Director CARE. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Geeta. Thanks, Mr. Sundaram sir. Thank you. Sundaram sir, are you hearing?
You, sir. Welcome. Yes, sir.
Thank you for the excellent program.
Thank you, sir.
You have touched our present system, which is very sensitive. There is a lot of scope for the improvement of the system. But educated people should come to the politics to do the reforms. But unfortunately, we are getting away from the stream. That may be the reason people are not interacting with you. So they are afraid of touching the present system, present scenario. Anyhow, it is thanks for the very nice session. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We will be in touching with you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Mr. Pandian, for the nice introduction. Thanks to our designer, Nandanan. Thanks to our trainer, Sahana. Thanks to our coordinator, Geeta, and our technical team, JC Bala and Success Media Shankar. Thank you. And thanks for all the participants on behalf of Dr. Krishnamurthy, our founder director. Thanks. Thanks, Geeta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hope all of you will implement what you have learned today. See you all on Friday at 6:45 p.m. Till then, it's bye from CARE. Take care.